Find this 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Crew 4x4 at Craig Dunn GM in Portage. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, power seat, remote start, spray-on bedliner, tri-zone automatic climate control, hitch guidance, color touchscreen, Bluetooth, navigation capable, trailer brake controller, wireless charging, dual exhaust, multi-pro tailgate, 20 inches, aluminum wheels, assist steps, XM satellite radio ready, following distance indicator, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, backup camera, Z71 suspension, trailering equipment and the 5.3 L V8 engine. Test drive today at 23 to 45 Sissons Drive, Portage la Prairie.